We like to make the most out of every trench that we put in. Because of the work that's involved, why not build that French drain so that that one trench draws in so much water that the capillary action is just off the charts. So we're going to do a quad pack, and we're not messing around. We're going to use 1 inch to 1.5 inch cobble. Now the voids between this are just ridiculous. You want to talk about moving water. This is going to constantly pull water from the subsurface, and our drains, the way we build them, with a burrito wrapped drainage fabric on top, you can grow grass on them, and they will take in all the surface water for every rain event, as well as pull the subsurface water. Think about this. It never takes a minute off. 365 days, 24 hours, 7 days a week. I'm telling you, these drains never take a minute off. They never quit. Now, we use brand new pieces of plywood when we lay it on concrete. The reason why I do that, when this is in the backyards and they're dumping stone in the trenches, stone get pushed into the plywood when the mini loader drives over it. So if you go lay that on somebody's beautiful stamped concrete walk, you could drive that stone that's in that piece of plywood right into the finish. So we have brand new plywood here, and we don't use it at all in the backyard on drains. We keep it just for this. Now I'm going to show you one more thing. So we take our drainage fabric and we lay that down on the stamped concrete, then put the new plywood over that. I'm telling you, you're not going to get paid if you mess up somebody's concrete. Been there, done that. So you want to take every precaution you possibly can, so that when they show you a scuff mark, you're like, no way, that wasn't me. Matter of fact, I take pictures of anything wrong with concrete. If there's a crack, if it has surface pops, say somebody drugged something on it and there's a big scratch, I always take pictures of it. Once I'm paid, you know, I might keep the pictures for a week, then I just delete them. Moving right along.